Tesla Model YL has officially arrived in the Philippines, bringing sleek design, smart technology, and the future of electric driving closer to Filipino motorists. A bold new era of mobility starts here. Special thanks to YouTube channel Team DTV for the video footage used in this content. Please support and visit his channel for more great videos. Check the description below. Let's watch the Tesla Model YL launch video.
Presenting the Model YL.
Hello, hi everyone, good afternoon. Okay, so exclusive to Model Y or Model YL, we now have a new color. This is a Cosmic Silver. It's a new exterior exclusive to Model YL. And also we have a new interior, which is Zen Gray color. And first ever in the Philippines, we have a 6-seater Model Y. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, and again, all-wheel drive dual motor. Okay, with Model YL, you have now up to 681 kilometers of range, allowing you to have the perfect family road trips without any range anxiety. And with an acceleration of 5 seconds from 0 to 100, and a top speed of 201 kilometers per hour, you can get to places in no time. And with a new suspension for Model YL, you have an option in the vehicle to choose between balance or rear comfort. Given that it's 3 rows, it can get dizzy for passengers in the second and third row. With Tesla software and a new suspension, you have that option to make it more comfortable for second and third row passengers. And of course, it's not Tesla, we're not talking about efficiency. So Model YL, compared to Model Y, has an extended roofline and a new rear spoiler. And this improves aerodynamics and increases the downforce. So what this means, in terms of the coefficient drag, it's now down to 0.216, lowest in any Tesla that we already have. Okay, for the first row, you have additional thigh support. So when you go on road trips, it will be very comfortable for the driver. And you also have adjustable head rests, first in Tesla here, and of course ventilation and heating. And for the second row, you now have captain seats, which has power armrests. So automatically, when you sit on the second row, it will go up, allowing you to have the comfortable feeling already. And for the third row, if someone from the second row wants to get out, it will automatically go down so that the third row have easy access in and out. And of course, one-touch folding and also ventilation and heating for second row. And for the third row, you also have vented climate control. Okay, first in a Model Y or in a Tesla, now you get up to 18 speakers and 1 subwoofer. Wow. So this is the most speakers we have in a Tesla and probably the best audio experience. So you must try this later on. We also have a new technology called Immersive SoundX. So what this means is that you will have that concert feel or studio feeling where when you play Spotify or even Apple Music, any music app, you can hear maybe the instrument from one area and the voice from another area. So it feels like you're really in a concert hall. Okay, and now the design for the Model YL in the exterior, in the back, we have integrated the brake light. So this allows the third row to have more room to see, and for the driver to have more room also to see the rear view. And then we have, because it's a 6-seater, Model Y is able to do a fold flat feature. So like you see in the video, you can do like a camping if you want to. And of course, with the fold flat feature, you still have a lot of storage, up to 2,539 liters of cargo. Of course, so here's a sample. You can see in the video, up to 20 luggages can be fit in this vehicle. So with everything that's been said, does anybody have an idea of how much this car probably costs? Okay. Woo! very close, yes. So Model YL starts at 2.849 million only, right? And delivery will start as early as Q2. Q2 is already next month. So we already have these vehicles as early as for delivery. And now, with the Model YL now in Tesla Philippines, we now have a complete lineup of Model Y for every Filipino family. Again, with all of the pricing mentioned, we have to consider Tesla has very low or no preventive maintenance schedule, right? No fuel cost also. So the price is actually better.